Now let's get to the good stuff. Going to be fishing a creek today, Medina Creek. See here, and right there she is. So here we go. It's going to be our starting point right here. Going to be launching by a little bridge right here. I'm going to map out how far this is real quick. So let's go. I'm going to start right here, walk around this curve, along this long straightaway, around this corner right here, and then somewhere right around there I'm going to stop. So it's going to be roughly 2 miles, as you can see, one way, and then go 2 miles back the other way. So roughly a 4 mile round trip. But this is ultra shallow, ultra clear. This is just going to be a get out of the house kind of adventure. Not taking a boat or a kayak, just kind of walk and get some exercise. Get out of the house. Sometimes I like to do this, just go on little excursions, see what you can't find. So yeah, 4 mile round trip. I'm going to be starting at the bridge. See, let's go 3D. This is pretty cool. I like that view. That's pretty cool. Yeah, starting at this little bridge right here. Walk around the bank. There's a section of rocks right here I want to fish along the right side of the bank. Then we'll go across what I call the rocky desert right here. That's what it looks like. And then there's some rapids, it looks like, right here. Yeah, right here. So yeah, there's some rapids right here. Anytime you have rapids, there could be a little break of water to the side. If we see that, that's normally going to be money. So that's going to be the deal today. A little creek fishing. Man, it's cold. Had to put my neck gaiter on, gloves. Hey, look behind me, that's pretty awesome. But so far, I'm looking at the water over there. I saw a few hot spots, but it looks pretty barren. Clear water, doesn't look like there's any fish in it. But as you can tell, still just walking along. Came pretty far. And look under here. Huh. Wonder if there'd be any action under this. Guess not. Oh my gosh, guys. There's a fish. Missed him. Dang. Missed him. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. Let me switch. All right, so just walking through what I'm experiencing right now. It's got a few bites, but something in me is telling me I need to downsize just a little bit. There could be what you call, you know, those little bitty rock bass in the creek. They could be here. I think that's what's hitting my lure. So I'm gonna downsize my jig, even though this is an ultra finesse jig, just a little bit till I find some more promising water. Once I do, then I'll put some bigger lures back on here if I've got time, if I need to do that. But for now, I think I need to downsize into my specialty style, my specialty kind of creek setup. I came out with this little bitty rig long before the Ned rig ever came out. Oh man, I don't know if I have any finesse heads. Darn it. I do, luckily. One, I mean, this is like a 16th ounce little bitty finesse head. What I'm going to do is take a piece of a trick worm off of it and put it on there. I think now that I took the time to set this thing up, it might get a little more action. I have seen a few fish. So there it is, little bitty thing, man. That thing is small. Let's see how it works. It's not good unless it works, right? Let's go. Now that's a good cast. There he is. Look at is that not crazy? Well, we didn't blink. Man, is that not crazy? That's ridiculous. Let's try on the bank right here. There's one. Yeah. This is crazy, guys. So I was saying, this time of year they're usually not in the open unless there's a root ball like right here. Usually this time of year they're going to be close to the bank in like root balls and things like that. Look at that. Perfect. Got a couple fish. Not doing too bad on the old finesse Ned rig style. This is my creek setup. So anyway, on to the next spot. Trek across the rocky desert here. Hopefully we find something worth fishing. All right, so far guys, not a whole lot going on. Got a couple fish, nothing biting on my ultra finesse jig, but I'm about to take my ultra finesse Ned rig and chunk it around this little area. It looks pretty decent. Whether there's fish here or not, I don't know. But I do think when I go this way, there's a stagnant pool of water just to the left of this little current right here. That is perfect. There's all kind of rocks, shelf rock, boulders that have little indentions underneath them. That's stuff you want right there. So I'm willing to bet almost anything down here in the stream in this little next area right here. I can toss my little finesse Ned rig and catch something somewhere in there. I'm almost willing to bet anything I'll catch something just right here off this side right here. Anytime you have inflowing water like that and then a little stagnant pool of water to the left, that's like a magnet for fish to sit in. So see if I'm right here. I think I might get a bite right here. Oh. Ah. Man. Here we go. Come on. There's got to be a fish there. God, I told you. Oh, yeah. That worked perfect. It's almost always where they set up. A little sunfish. Not a bass, but yeah, there we go. Come on. And they're cold. All right, so I came back to the spot that I was at earlier where I saw like a few fish. That little root ball or whatever. I didn't realize there were so many fish in it, so I walked right up on it, going to show the camera. So headed back to the truck, going to fish this spot again, see if I can't get another bite or two. Little things, but you know, it's still fun. So yeah, let me get this thing strapped on my head and we'll get to it. Come Come on, fishies. That was a good cast. There's one. Yeah, that was perfect. The lure washed right beside that little root ball. And look, I know these are small, you guys, but that winter storm just blew through, and I'm just trying to get out of the house and have fun. And showing you guys different techniques, like that little bitty ultra finesse Ned rig right there. That's crazy. Come on. Dude, that was a good cast. I'm shocked I didn't get a bite. Oh, I see a couple fish. They're behind the root ball in the current, or the break of the current as the water flows around that little root ball. There's a couple sitting right behind it, right where they should be. There comes a fish. Got it. Yep. Oh, it came off. There's a little bluegill. Yeah, it's fun though right here. It doesn't matter if they're big or little. It's getting out of the house and be able to fish a little bit. This may be a good cast. There's one. Yep. Dang. What is going on, man? Every one of them are coming off. Oh, that's why. Come on, Jesse. Hard lesson right there, guys. That little error right there just cost me a few bites. Man, I can't believe that. Yeah. Laid open right there. It's ridiculous. Let's try to get them again. I don't think they're done just yet. Oh, there's one. I see one. Man, that fish didn't even budge. Got it. Yep. Man, he inhaled it. I hope he didn't swallow it. Stop. And that guy wanted it. Look at that. See if there's anything in this little spot. There's one. Yeah, he got it. Dang, he came and got it right away. Looked like there was a bass out there too. Yeah, there is. He's looking at me. Dang, we get down. There's a bass. He's a baby one, of course, but I see him. Yeah, I see him. Straight out in front of the camera. He gonna bite it. Yeah, there he goes to it. Oh, there's a few at it. Man. Dude, there was a few of them there. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Dude, there's a pretty good bass over there. Wow. That is crazy, dude. There's a good sized bass over there. That's nuts. Holy crap. Got one. I'm gonna scoot back so this bigger bass can't see me. Holy crap. He's a good one. Dang. That was awesome. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I saw a 3 or 4 pound bass, but man, I could not get her to bite for nothing. So with that said, boom, she won the battle this time. I guess better luck next time. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. We'll bring you more videos just like this.